Guys, what's up? So I'm back here with the gas tank. I got it all set up. I took a few clips of the Walbro install. But yeah, I got this. I painted this heat shield just to protect it from rust. Made it gold. It has some extra gold. Just did a light coat over it. But now I'm gonna try and attempt to get it in. So let's see how that goes. By the way, guys, the rain has been really bad here. It's been raining every single day. So I haven't been able to do much. Every time I wanted to come out here and do something, the rain just would stop me. So let's see what we can get done today. I do have to work in a little bit, but let's see if we can at least get the tank in, and then we'll get back to doing the whole subframe. I still have to put the diff in, but I got the lockout bolts in, all torqued to spec. So yeah, so for now, let's go ahead and try and get the gas tank in. Probably get that video out, and then we'll do the subframe, and everything else is pretty easy.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I will stay. I will stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. I feel it again. I feel it again. I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far.
Alright guys, so tank's in. I haven't really done much since I last filmed doing the tank. I was just doing some other stuff, so that's why it's dark. All I did was, after real quick, I just hooked up those three. Simple as my other videos, same way you unhooked it, you know, you just install it same place. And the same thing with the vent tube and the filler tube. Other than that, no torque specs on the strap bolts, just make them nice and tight. But yeah, other than that, subframe's ready to go in once I install the differential. I'll do that. I do recommend doing the gas tank either with somebody else or use a jack. I didn't have a jack. My buddy was using mine, so definitely you're gonna want to use a jack or some way to hold the tank up. It was pretty hard doing it by yourself. Last time I did it, I did have a jack. This time it was a lot more difficult, but I was able to get it in. So even if you don't have anything, you can still do it. Just be patient with it, and you'll be able to get it in. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Next video will be getting the subframe in. Oh, I gotta redo these. My other slide pins are good, but these are stuck. So I gotta clean that out, re-grease them, and get those ready to go. So yeah, guys, like always, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Peace.